Hey guys, welcome back to DeepShift Labs. My name is Krishna Shah, and let me explain to you Python in this mini-series. So Python is a powerful programming language. It's used in data science, artificial intelligence, website making, app making, everything. And I know you want to get started with Python, so without further ado, let's get started. First thing we need to start programming in Python is a programming environment. And so to set up this environment, there are two ways you could do this. You could either install the environment on your physical system. For example, I'm running Linux, so this comes built in. For Windows, you'd have to go to python.org and get it installed. And macOS also comes with Python pre-built. But if you don't want to install anything or get stuck in the setup process, there's a very easy way to get started. If you go to your web browser and type replit, like so, go to this website. Here, you'll be able to program in Python with a complete IDE. Run it, use the Linux command line. You have all the features that a developer needs right from the web browser. This allows you to quickly learn programming languages, and then once you're ready, you can of course move back and install everything locally, and your entire program should work just fine. So here, you want to click Start Programming. You'll have to create an account. I already have one set up here, so let me just log in with that. Alright, once it turns on, you can see there's a very simple UI here. Ignore all of these are other projects I've been working on. You want to go to Create, click the plus button, and here you want to type Python, and we are just going to go with the standard Python here. So we select that. You can give it a name. I'm going to call it YouTube. And you can select your privacy settings and then hit create. Alright. Now the REPL's going to boot. And let's get familiarized with the UI here. So here are your files. Main.py is the one that's going to actually be executing. Here's the main.py open. And so you can start typing your code somewhere here, and we're going to get to the code in a future video. Here you have the add file button. You can add all types of files. I can create another file called second.py. There we go. And it made another file for us. We can, of course, open that file. We can type whatever I want. Second, you don't have to worry about version control, debugging, or anything like that if you're just getting started. And of course, if you're an intermediate or advanced programmer, you'll be able to use these tools to your advantage. Now, just to make sure that Replit works, let's write some basic code. So we'll just type print hello world, right? And basically what this is going to do is once we run the program, it's going to output a text that says hello world. So let's hit run. See if it works. Oh, yep, there we go. We have hello world printed on our command line. If you want to run your other Python files, for example, this one, so let's add some code here. Print second world, right? And if you want to run that, you could set this to execute, but an easier way is to just go to shell and type python second.py, just like that. And if you run it, same result comes out here. Now this is a full-on Linux terminal, so you can do all magic tricks with this if you wish. And that's it for this video. In the next series of videos, we're going to be explaining all different types of Python functions like loops, if statements, variables, and all these different things that you would need. So until next time, see you guys.